Oh no. Hold on, lads, I think we've done this first try. Hello there guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel today for a classic YouTube video, which is what's in my bag. Of course it's me, so it's what's in my Balenciaga bag. Ever since I got this bag over on Instagram, at Gallucks by the way, people have been asking me to do a what's in my bag, and I thought that this bag contains so much stuff that I needed to do a whole YouTube video for it. I've been a very bad YouTube dad this year, but I'm wanting to do better. So here I am, and here's what's in my bag. Could be even closer now. It's too high. There. Perfect. So I hope you're having a good day so far. I just really felt like filming this video today, which is very strange because, as you can tell, as of late, I've not felt the urge to film a YouTube video for a few weeks now. I bought this Balenciaga bag July, and it is the Balenciaga Super Busy bag. It is from the fall collection, which was the Lost Tape show, and it's basically just got like millions of pockets, which is probably why it's the best bag ever to do a what's in my bag for, because there's so much stuff in this bag, like you're not ready. And it can hold so much, and it's so handy. Like, I've been using it so much because I do have a backpack that I've been using for years, but sometimes you don't want to wear a backpack with every fit. Sometimes you want to wear something a bit like more bougie, I guess. So that is this. So yeah, let's get into it. It's basically like a little rectangle with this sling strap on it, it's called. It's a sling, so it just like goes on you like that. It doesn't like adjust or anything like that, and it doesn't go around a crossbody, so it's just for one shoulder, which is fine. And then it has all of these pockets like all over it. Okay, let's start with the main compartment of the bag. So inside it has one big zipper. So it has one large main compartment in the middle. So let's start by getting stuff out of there. So the first thing that I have, amongst loads of garbage, is a pair of sunglasses. So we've been having like a non-stop heat wave in London for like 6 weeks now. I don't remember the last time it rained. I don't remember what rain feels like. So I always need sunglasses. So obviously I have the Balenciaga bat frame sunglasses, which the eye shapes are like little bat wings, which are very, very cute. So I absolutely love them. I can probably try them on for you. That's the kind of vibe that you're getting from these. So I always carry around my bat sunglasses. By the way, I'll try and leave a link to everything I can in the description box below. So if you want to know where something's from, just check the box. Next up, a cap. This is a really old Topman cap, and it's been like sun damaged to the point where it looks kind of really good. So I always wear this. I wear this to the gym every day. I wear this with loads of outfits. I just wear this non-stop, and it's probably like 4 years old. It's like covered in shit, and it is like I said, like sun damaged, that it looks slightly bleached. But I just love the shape of it, and I won't stop wearing it. So I take it with me, even if I've like done my hair for the day. It might like piss me off or something, or I might just want to wear a hat. So I just take a cap with me everywhere just in case. You know, when you find like the perfect cap, you then can't like wear any other cap because you know that one is the perfect cap for your head. I'm currently reading Chainsaw Man, which is amazing. If you read manga then and you've not read Chainsaw Man, then check it out. If you don't read manga, read Chainsaw Man. It's awesome, and the anime is coming out soon as well, and it's by, I think the production studio is Mappa, the same ones that did the end of Attack on Titan, so like the animation is insane and it looks so good, so I'm really excited for Chainsaw Man. But obviously I want to read as much of it as I can before I watch the anime as well. My bottle of water, so I have just a reusable bottle of water that has a straw and like a sucky bit, because I feel like I drink more water that way. If it's just one of those like regular bottles where you have to like move your head, that's far too much effort for me. So I use the sippy straw one from Amazon, which I absolutely love. You'd be surprised how much I can actually get in here. I threw my Instax in here the other week and it's just not left it, but that's just in case like I'm out with my friends and I want to take a cute Instax photo. It's not necessarily an essential, but it's just something that's in there. I take my Nintendo Switch with me on public transport in case I feel the urge to finish off my Pokédex in Legends Arceus. I still have like just 7. I have like 7 Pokemon to catch, but they're so annoying. Like the methods you need to get them are so annoying. So I've not yet completed that Pokédex, which is very frustrating. This is just a skin. I can't remember what the website was called, but it looks like what the new OLED, like the new improved version of the Switch looks like, so, but it's a slightly different shape, I think. But I know that can be confusing, but I did want a white Switch before I knew about that OLED one. I think I did this in 2020. So yeah, so I just take this around with me. I normally have a case as well, but I just throw it in. Oh yeah, my laptop. So I take my laptop just in case I need to like, it does actually fit in here. It's a bit tricky to get like in and out, but it fits perfectly. I take my laptop most places in case I need to edit like a reel or a TikTok video really quickly, because I'm old and I hate doing it on my phone and I like doing it on my laptop with my editing software. So I just take that around with me as well. The stickers are from an artist I absolutely love on Instagram. I can never pronounce their username. It's like Pyrrhix or something, but I'll leave it linked below if you want it, if you're interested in these stickers. Portable charger for my phone, because actually this is my boyfriend's portable charger and he always shouts at me for stealing it because I have my own, but I just don't know where it is at the moment. That's the main pocket done. And then there is a zip at the back as well, which I actually haven't used yet, but there's another pocket there. So let's start the outside pocket. Confession, when I first got this bag, I spent about 10 minutes stood outside our house trying to find my house keys, because I wasn't sure which pocket I'd put them into. And it turns out I didn't even have them with me, so I looked through every single pocket for no reason. But that's the one downside of this bag, I guess, is that it's got so many pockets that you don't know whether you're coming or going, if you know what I mean. So let's open this one here. There's half a packet of chewing gum. It's the like bubblegum flavour of Wrigley's Extra White. And then we have a Carmex. I don't actually love Carmex, but I feel like it's the most like, it's doing something. Compared to other lip balms, Carmex feels like it's actually moisturising your lips. This bit is my wallet. I knew that was there. So I have this really old Margiela wallet. It's like a faux alligator on one side with like the 4 stitches. And then it's got the card holder on this side, and then the zip in there is for like cash and coins, which I've probably not had for like 7 years because I used my phone to pay for everything. Okay. Let's check the back pocket. Oh, this is a fun one. On this side pocket, so this looks like a pocket that would be for like a retro phone or something. The show that this bag is from is heavily centered around like a 90s grunge aesthetic. So the fact that it looks like this could be for like a Motorola flip phone, like, makes me very happy. But I've been using it for, I purchased those like fisheye lenses for your iPhone. That they just clip on to like the camera, which is really, really cute. So yeah. So I've been keeping them in there because it's like, never know when you're going to need them. Ooh, Burberry Hero, which I absolutely love. So disclaimer, they actually gifted this to me like a few months ago with no warning, no like email, no nothing. It just arrived at my house and I was like, oh, like I'll smell it, and I've been obsessed. Like, it's so good. So I've been wearing it every single day. Obviously I've used quite a lot of it already, and it's only been like a month. So I spray it morning, night. There's another pocket on this side, underneath, and that's just stuffing. Yeah, just stuffing. So when I got the bag, it was fully like packed with stuffing. So I thought, if I'm not using the pocket, I may as well just leave the stuffing in until I need the pocket, because I like that it's keeping its shape, if you know what I mean. Onto the front, there's a little card holder slot here, but I feel like it's a bit too like obvious and open for me to use, so I've not done that. There's another one on the front of this strap here as well, so I've not put anything in there, but you can put 2 in there. You can see why it's called the super busy bag, right? Because it's just like very busy. It's super busy. So on the front, yeah, card holder, not using. This one, concealer. I put a bit of concealer under my eyes, usually day to day, just because I have dark circles, and it makes me look so much younger. I even got ID'd trying to buy a pack of paracetamol the other day. So yeah, the concealer is working, obviously. There's nothing in this one. I feel like I'm playing bingo and I don't know what's in each one. This is specifically for AirPods, so my AirPods live in this one. And it's got a proper like click down little popper, so that I would know if someone was like trying to unclip my AirPods, if you know what I mean. This one is quite obviously for a pen, but I don't use pens. I use eyebrow serum on my eyebrows to keep them looking healthy and like brush them up. So that fits perfectly in where the pen would go. And this one, oh, it's my portable charger that I thought I had lost and therefore kept using my partner's. And that is everything that is in my bag at the moment. That was what's in my bag, literally. So that is the Balenciaga super busy bag. They do it in like a small version, and they do them in white as well. They also do a bum bag version. It's super, super cute. Oh, and obviously my phone, but I don't really carry my phone in my phone's usually in my pocket, to be honest, but sometimes I will throw it in my bag. You know when you've not looked at your phone for like half an hour and you expect to have at least one notification, but you have 0? That's me right now. Nada. I hope you've enjoyed this classic YouTube video. Let me know if you want me to do any more classic YouTube videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and check me out over on Instagram and TikTok, just at Gallucks, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.